Traders, I'm looking at the NAS100 daily time frame. Look what it's trading into here. This is big liquidity, and we're seeing a reaction off this level at the moment. We'll mark it up, and we'll go down the time frames and look at a possible trade opportunity. These buy stops are being hit. This is the target. This is the range from high to low here, right? This is the trading range that this bullish move is targeting. That's the target right there. So yeah, this big money accumulating down here is targeting this high. Now what we're looking at is a possibility that this rolls over and we get a bit of a pullback. As you can see, look, trades up, pulls back, trades up, pulls back, trades up, pulls back, trades up. Well, I'm waiting for that. So we know it's trading into resistance. Let's go down the time frame and see how we can get involved with it. So, on the 4 hour, we've got imbalance. Wow. It got traded through, fair enough. I'm always looking for, swing low, swing high, at least a move back down into equilibrium, something like that, guys. That's what I'm looking at the moment. So if we go down then to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, you've got this candle here, thin candle imbalance, so that's a target on this time frame. Yeah, I would be looking to short that. So, counter trend trade, a 3-minute chart. All right, there is the, there's your range. All right, there's a bit of a run on stops. Now we're seeing downward momentum. Just watch out, because we've actually got this imbalance up in here. That could be a target. So it's possible that we see, and I'd be looking at this into the New York session, that it comes back up and hits that, and then we possibly see further downside. That's what I'm anticipating. Lower time frame. Look for your entry. Yeah, be careful though. It's counter trend and it's risky, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, and I mean I could be completely wrong. It could dip down and rally, but yeah, I'd be willing to look to short that. Stop above the high, entry point as it breaks. If it breaks structure, look for the structural break here. Okay, only on a BOS. Right, so we've got something like that. Okay, BO, break of market structure. If that occurs, then this is an entry point. Possible entry. Let's just do that. Possible entry on break of structure. Okay, POSSIBLE short on BOS if it plays out. If this plays out, and my target then is going to be equilibrium, that's marked up down here on the higher time frame, and this imbalance. I mean, it all kind of fits together. So that's a bit of a plan, guys, for the NAS100. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely leave a comment, and I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.